Series A is commercial-grade office furniture at a cost-effective price. The collection is built from modular components. That means you can add on and build out as your needs change or as your workspace dictates. The configurations are limited only by your imagination and available space. Each component is freestanding, which makes for very easy setup and reconfiguration. There are a variety of components and sizes in this collection, making it extremely versatile. There are straight desks, corner desks, bow front desks, peninsulas, and tables. And there are hutches for each work surface so you can stay organized and efficient. The hutches offer both open and closed storage. Other features include large, durable work surfaces that resist scratches and stains. The work surfaces are also 1 inch thick and have support underneath so they will stand up to heavy, long-term use. Durable edge banding withstands repeated impact and abrasion. This collection is available in many finishes to match individual preferences. It exceeds all ANSI BIFMA quality and durability requirements. That tells you it will stand up to years of 40-plus hour work weeks. Lateral files have full extension ball bearing slides that are tested to 75,000 open and closed cycles. It has a 10-year warranty, so you can have confidence that it will function as good 10 years from now as it did the day you installed it. Series A